freezing. We have our cap for our dust collector system is a gallon of frozen water.
So we've gone through how many gallons so far of sawdust?
Probably 300 gallons, I would say.
We've created 300 gallons of sawdust, and we're only on piece 9 of 205.
So if you do the math,
that's a lot of sawdust.
205 divided by 9 times.
Don't forget to carry the 2.
100. Yeah, that's about 400 gallons of sawdust.
I don't think that pencils out. It's such a puzzle to try to figure out which cut to make, which cut not to make. But I want to see if I could get a little progress video of some of these cuts and then what it ends up looking like. Matthew.
I'm making a hole.
We're driving around and saw something on the road. There's an old hammer. Little mini sledge. Love old stuff. It's got a story. It's got some character. Well, hopefully, if everything goes right.
Mamma mia! Picasso!
That's part of it. A few more other cuts done. Slowly getting there. Matt, you want to show the template situation here? With how we're fitting the knee bracing?
Yeah, so we made a template, the length of our knee bracing for the lean-to post to the purlins. And this pocket that I've been working on, essentially this knee brace goes in here. And when to check this, I kind of go back and forth and make sure it fits all the way across. And the crucial part is this right here. And this is kind of what you're looking for right here, is this 45 to just go in here snug and fit with no gaps. If it's off by any degrees, you're obviously gonna have different size gaps, but this fit is just perfect.
Sweet, great job, bro. Oh, that was a beautiful pan. I didn't even realize that the flag was right behind you. Look at that. Look at that.
Go. Shout time. Shout time. Go. Come on.
And here we thought we're gonna have Saturday morning cartoons.
I've watched cartoons since 9th grade.
9th grade? All the pre-cuts to a field lean-to post.